Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off control center on lock screen. So like this, if your control center is accessible on the lock screen and you want to disable it, then let me show you exactly what you need to do. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to disable control center on lock screen on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and click on settings. Scroll down, locate and click on Face ID and passcode. Type in your iPhone passcode. Now scroll down the passcode page until you get to allow access when locked, and then locate control center and click on it. Now once you click on control center, when next your iPhone screen is locked like this, you'll not be able to access the control center. You see that? So that's exactly how to lock control center on iPhone lock screen. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.